Okay, let's say I want to get the gender over here. In Malaysia one, okay, let's say I expand over here. How many is male, how many is female? This is the things that where we comes from the second things. So let's say I show you some things over here. This one's right, okay. So I change the table. This one is like I put T details based on the sheet name, okay. So and you come over here, we will change as well. That's the good things of the Excel tables, okay. From here, right, what is the things I need to change over here? So basically I copy this one. From here I need to include another criteria, okay. For this one I will just copy this T details until here. Then what's the thing? Gender. Yes, you are right. So and then I just open another things just to make it as an abstract reference. And the next thing is I'm going to referring to this one. So from here, right, I'm going to fix the column, okay, make the column become not the column, the row become absolute, because when we move downwards, right, this one will not change, okay, except the columns here will change, okay. So this is the criteria. And next things we're going to do is like we just move like this and we are done, okay. So from here so this is the things we get, okay. This is how it looks like. For the next one, this one gender, we need to do anything. For the product, we can mix up with gender, and quantity with gender is very subject to the data set you want, okay. And let's say we change, add another things, okay. This one maybe we just put Alan, okay, and we put as Malaysia, and this one is female. And what's the product you want? Maybe we just put Apple, and the products you just put 1, okay. So the count of the Malaysia will increase by 1, and then gender for female will increase by 1 again, and then Apple will increase by 1, and then the quantity less than 10 increase by 1. So we will see in the summary, okay, you see the female increase by 1 and Malaysia increase by 1, okay. This one is become 2, altogether 8, and then the Apple will increase by 1, this one increase by 1. Initially this one is 2, okay. So this is how it looks like whenever there's a additional data be entered, right, the summary instantly appear here. So this is one of the ideas that I use to make the life of my user become easier, and there are no need to calculate manually. The only things they need to do is they need to ensure the data accuracy. There's no space in between the data set. That's why over here in this country, right, we use a drop down list to limit the inputs, okay, and gender and product. Accept this quantity we also need to control because it's a digit, okay. As long as it's a digit, then it's valid. It's not digit, we also not allowed the enter. That's why under the data validation we need to limit this one as well, okay. And this one doesn't matter, this is a free text, okay. That's why these 4 are the criteria. The more column there are, okay, the more summary you will be able to produce, and also the summary will be different according the needs of the corporates, or even yourself. It's directly subject to what's the things you want to see, okay. From here, right, we can interpret this one from gender in Malaysia, right, okay. The country is Malaysia, right, and under this state details, right, there are 2 female and then 1 male, okay. For China there's 0. We can create another one is like, okay, length, okay. This one we just, like I mentioned, put China and then female. And what's the things I put? Okay, maybe I just put jeans. Okay, so jeans I just put 50. So from here you see it will increase by 1. Okay, become 9. Okay, altogether become 9. Okay, this breakdown is how it looks like. Okay, so this is the usage of we are using the COUNTIF. Okay, the COUNTIF is very useful, especially you use for summary calculations, and you also can use this one for your as a issue trackers in the Excel as well. Subject to your design. Okay, so that's all for today. Hope you like the videos, and if you really like, and please subscribe and also share the videos and get more help me to get more subscriber. Thank you, that's all.